Hey everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit that red subscribe button and also hit notification bell. Hey guys, so welcome to Dollar Tree Haul Thursday. Super excited, let's get right into the video. So for first start, what we're going to get into is the non-essentials, just basically toiletry kind of things and other stuff that I wanted to go ahead and get. So I went ahead and got these, and these are really good to use, and I really like using these when like brushing my teeth, rinse my mouth out, or mouthwash type of stuff. And also these are also good for when you're want like a little small cup of milk or something like that, or you have to weigh something out and you want a small portion of it, or just for a snack, put your snacks in here. You can do that as use these as well for that. So I got 2 of those, and then I got these right here. These are brand new. I have not seen these at all, these type of brands at Dollar Tree. So I got 2 of these, and it's in lavender, and they smell real good, and they are really nice and durable, and they basically are a really good brand. So I'm gonna go and get some more of these. We'll find some more of these, and if I do get some more of these, and also in the different other other scents as well. So I'm gonna get another 2 things of lavender, and if they don't have lavender, then I'm gonna see what else other scents they have. So I'm gonna get that, and then I went ahead and got I got a planner. I don't know if I'm gonna use this or not. So we'll see. But yeah, I have to have this planner. But I realized I didn't actually buy this. Someone else actually had got this for me. But I figured I will actually just go ahead and show it. Even though I didn't pay for this planner from Dollar Tree, I was still gonna go ahead and show you guys what it is and like really what's inside of it. It's pretty cool to me of what's inside. So this is what it looks like. That, and they also have the skin color part, and also in other colors like blue, as you see, pink, I think purple and red. So that's what the front part looks like. Let me get to it. And then that's basically if I can get to it. So then, as you can see, if this part, when you flip, it has that. So basically, if you're going to go traveling, this is what you will want a traveling planner for your monthly. This is something that you would want to get from Dollar Tree. It's pretty cool. So, which is, like I said, it is really actually pretty cool. Then go turn into your month. And then it goes yet again to February. So that's basically the beginning. So yeah, at the beginning it goes to this little section, and that's what you really have. And then right here page, then it goes into doing this section. So whatever you want that to be, you can have it for those months. And then after that, it goes into notes section. So then it goes into your notes section right here, and then after that it turns into a actual like traveling expense record. So basically you'll figure out if you want to be, your dates and gas, parking, hotel. Basically you'll just track everything down, and then at the bottom of it you will put totals, and then put notes, and then you'll put the day that you submitted it, and then it goes on from there. Then the next section will be your notes, and then it goes right into phone numbers, which is pretty cool. And it's basically from A all the way to literally like Z. So let me get to the bottom part of it. So and then you just go back, let's see. Yep. Then after that, see, and then you just go to your notes after. So that's all for this little part right here. And then going on to some markers that I ended up finding. But first, I had got me some dry erase markers because I needed some new ones to go along with my actual clear calendar that I have on my desk, office desk. And then I ended up finding these. I have a black, red, purple, pink, and then a blue one. I hope I can find a white one because that'd be awesome. But basically, you just use this marker to actually do some drawings on there, and then this is what the back of it part that you can also do as well with this. And it's pretty cool, and it's water based, so I thought that was pretty cool and awesome. And then after that, I went ahead and got these because I'm doing some stuff and water stuff with this, so super excited to be using this to see how that works out. And yeah, so basically, hopefully you can find these, so yeah, that's all for this little section, or this little part that I was talking about with the markers. And I'm gonna be doing, like I said, I didn't say I was gonna actually do DIY products with this very soon, so be looking out for those type of videos. And also, because you know spring is coming up, and so the next one I'm gonna be talking about is haul. Within this haul is me some nails. I ended up finding these, so that they're so cute. Trying to stock up on some stuff, so I thought this would be cute. You know, I want to be all cute and a little festive, just some stuff that I'm gonna save up. So I thought that was pretty cool. I'm trying to get into different styles that they have, so if I can find some stuff, the nails that I have not ever seen, like I haven't ever seen this, and it's in a matte form, and they're coffin. So these are going to also be for my Valentine's Day nails right here, my little short ones. And then eventually I'll probably end up doing the other. So I'm going to end up be doing these after I do this set for Valentine's Day's nails. I'll be getting into these coffins. Super excited, and I'm going to do a different design for these as well. So they're probably not going to be matte for long, but yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. So I'll keep y'all informed with all of these type of nail stuff that we're gonna be doing. And then for also within the Valentine's Day theme and talk, I got these also from Dollar Tree. I thought they're so cute, and I'm gonna be having this all set up within my actual for my desk. So the only thing that's gonna be decorated for Valentine's Day is basically everything in the living room, which is my desk area / office. So I'm super excited for it to be decorating over there, and I will have a video about me decorating and also showing you how they all turned out. So basically, just be on the lookout for the Valentine's Day videos with this type of theme that I'm going to be doing for my office desk and everything else. I'll probably end up decorating Valentine's Day and that, and then also for like a little nail kind of like tutorial about how these turned out with those, and especially with these types. So be on the lookout for that. And then DIYs, I'm going to be using this, so be on the lookout for that type of video. So there's basically a whole bunch of videos that I will be doing very soon for February and for spring, which is in March. And that is all for this Dollar Tree haul video. I hope you're able to go to local Dollar Tree store and be able to find items that I have shown you throughout this video of Dollar Tree haul Thursday. And leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're able to find the items and also how it worked out for you, because I would like to know. This is all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. As I always say, deuces, Voluches.